Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you a lacquer brand on my page. Here is their Instagram account. I don't think I have shown a brand new lacquer brand. I've done one Beatles nail polish video, but I don't think I've ever done a nail polish, like air dry polish video ever on my channel. So when this brand reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try their new air dry polishes, I was like, "Sure." It's been a long time since I've given nail polish a whirl. So I decided to give it a try, and I'm going to explain all of my thoughts as the video goes on. First of all, starting with this beautiful card that is matted. It's got the matte finish on the black part of the card and your golden, almost chromy, like lettering. I love that. It is like that type of attention to detail that it just like blows my mind. That card felt awesome, and yes, I'm going to keep it. This is the Crown of the Pride collection. It has 5 colors, and here's a little bit about the colors. I'll show them as I show the colors, their Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and also a portion of every single sale goes to support organizations working to protect wild lions and their habitats, which I find to be something amazing. I love supporting small businesses who like to give back. I spend my money with lots of different businesses, different types of ways that do that. I buy a lot from veteran owned businesses or from organizations that donate to veterans. I like to do stuff like that, or domestic violence, little organizations that I like to support, um, and businesses that support organizations that like to give back. I love to spend my money there. It's just something that I personally like to do, and knowing that they're giving back like that, it makes me want to support them. So when I buy from my husband, who is a veteran, I like to buy from veteran-owned businesses and from businesses that give to veteran organizations. So that's just something that I personally like to do, and knowing that they did that for the lions and the habitats, I really found that to be awesome. All right, so also with the collection, they did say that they wanted to include a Gloss Boss top coat because you can't just have a nail polish set without including a top coat. I don't have their base coat, but I will leave their information for their website linked in the description box. They also have 27 total shades released, and 3 collections within that as well. So 27 total shades, and then they have like your base coats, your top coats. They have a smoothing base coat, they have a matte top coat, etc. Definitely worth checking out. So I'll leave everything in the description box. I do not have a code with them. I just have the information for you and to spread their brand, to share the love of their brand with you. So they come in a glass bottle, names on the bottom. I love that the ingredients are not on the bottles because I don't like a cluttered bottle. For me personally, if I want to see the bottle and it comes with a box, just put it on the box. And if I would like to keep that forever, I will look back and refer back to the box. The ingredients are on the box, so if you go back and you pause, you can see all the ingredients. I showed the ingredients of every single color. If you want to pause and read them, there for you to do so. So, moving along. I show them in order that they were on the sheet. So, Crown of the Pride, the order that they had them on the sheet that they gave me is how I show them. I also show a nail set that I did for promo off to the side. And if they are a thermal, I do show that as well. None of these are glow in the dark, they are just thermals. So I think there are 2 thermals in this set, so I show you the thermal picture as well. I love this color. I think this color was my second favorite. My first favorite, I'll have to let you know when we get to it, but it was not this one. My first favorite is the one called Untamed, but this was second. I love this one. They're actually kind of all like tied almost evenly because Mother of Pearl is high up there too. I love pearl and opal gels. They're like my kryptonite. So I show you them in the bottles. I show you the manis that I did with them for promo for them. And I've also been working on some sets using reverse stamping with these polishes. I've been obsessed with reverse stamping and just stamping in general lately. I've been practicing hand drawing as well. Just reverse stamping and stuff has really just got me in a chokehold right now, and I love it. And I've just been practicing with these new polishes to show you different ways to reverse stamp, different tips and tricks, and just kind of getting a little bit better for you guys. Plus, The stamping company that I'm with, Pretty Fingers by Robin, is having a Boo in June event, and I literally cannot wait to show you all of the stuff. So be prepared for a video every week with stamping in June. Probably the end of May to beginning of June, I'll be showing you some stamping stuff. So yeah. And here is a plot twist. It is a thermal as well. So the ingredients are there. The nail set that I did is right here with the thermal change. It is so reactive. These polishes are very like creamy. They go on very well. And for somebody who hasn't really worked with nail polish in a very long time, they were really beginner friendly. Like I was sitting there applying nail polish like gel polish, and that's like not how you're supposed to do it apparently. I haven't used nail polish in a really long time, but I used to paint my nails with nail polish, my nails and my fingers, my toes. I used to have them done since I was like 6 or 7 years old. I've been doing them forever. And then when I got to be a teenager, probably like 16, 17, I started getting them done at the salon. And then I had a brief bit where I went back to nail polish, but that nail polish would take forever to dry. And I would be sitting there waiting so long and I would be so frustrated. The only thing worse than waiting for it to dry is just when you think they're dry and you touch them or you smudge them and you just like mess them up. All that work, all that time, you sat there for like 4 hours not touching anything. And then the second you move, the polish is going to wrinkle or move or smear or smudge. And it's just like, I want to quit everything. I remember not wearing socks for like 2 days because I didn't want the sock print on my toes. So I just kind of strayed away when I found um, gel, and I've been kind of doing gel from there. But I wanted to give these a try. They dry very fast. I will tell you that. They dry very fast, and I was getting a little bit scared. Being honest with you, I was getting a little bit scared because they were drying really fast, and I didn't even have time to paint the whole nail, it was seeming, before it started to dry. Dries really fast. The top coat dries very fast as well, and they applied so creamy. The color payout is amazing. You could get away with one coat if you wanted to, but two coats is better. Because I feel like two coats gives you that color, that oomph of that color. And I love a good color punch. It just is something about it. I love the colors. I like them to be, I always do 2 coats of dip powder, 2 coats of gel polish, 2 coats of regular polish. Just 2 coats, just to get that maximum payoff. All right, so this is the color I said that was my favorite. This color is so gorgeous. I don't know like why I love it so much, but when you see it, I'm about to throw up my nail set that I did with it in just a second. It is so pretty. Like, you can't tell me that's not absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty, and the way that it sparkled in the sun, the pink flecks inside of it just was just so good. It is a color that I definitely feel like deserves a spotlight. It is so pretty. So, yeah, the top coat dries very fast as well. The top coat is also kinda like a smoothing top coat, and it dries relatively quickly, I'd say in about 30 minutes. It was completely solid dry, like, you're not gonna mess it up, you're not gonna bang it on anything and get a smudge or anything like that. But even after just, like, 5 or so minutes, it was already almost dry, like, fully dry, like, hard dry. I got a little bit of a smudge, I think, on one of the nails, but I don't think I show that. I think I leave that picture off, but I got one smudge on one thumb on one of the nails, but that was it when I was checking it, and they all dried very fast, they went on smooth, they work really good for reverse stamping, which I've been working on and I will be showing soon, some tips, some tricks, some polishes I like, plates I like, scrapers, stampers, all the ins and outs of reverse stamping, so stay tuned with that. This color is gorgeous. It is a really gorgeous pearl. I can't wait to use that as a topper on other things, but yeah. This color is so pretty. They're all really, really pretty, and they kind of are all in a cohesive collection. Now, there are 2 other collections, like, there's a shifting one that's, like, got, like, your duochrome type polishes, and then there is one that's like a pastel cream, no glitter, no shimmer, just straight cream polish collection as well. And then there are other thermals and shimmers and stuff like that. This is just their first launch. I know they'll be launching more, But yeah, it's the collection they did send to me, and I really like it. And I'm going to definitely be buying the chromatic shifting collection, and then they have another thermal that I really like. So here is when I decided to just kind of like swatch them on white. So you see what they look like on white. They will look different on black, but you can see what they look like on black if you look at the brush head itself, because the brush head is black. So if you look at the brush head, you can see the color, what it would be over black. But I wanted to show you what it would look like over white and how it looks kind of sheer-ish. So that is why I just decided to do it on this little sheet. And I do show you at the end with the flash. But overall, I think that they're really awesome. They're comparable to all of the other polish brands that I see online as far as price goes. I feel like they dried really well. I was actually very shocked. I was skeptical because nail polish always has me a little bit skeptical, but ultimately they're really good. Like, I really have nothing bad to say about them. I mean, as far as, like, I haven't tried all of the nail polish brands there are out there, but I mean, you gotta start somewhere, right? I really liked them. The brush is fat, so you can really do a couple of strokes. I'm sorry if that swatch is bothering people, like, it bothered me when I did it, but I really did not want to have the one solid of the collection be, like, next to all the shimmers and then a shimmer be on the bottom. It really bothered me, so I'm sorry if it bothered you too. But yeah, just watching them all. The brush is really good. So if even though it dries fast, the thickness of the brush allows you to paint the entire nail still with no problems because that brush end is so thick. But yeah, here are all the polishes. I hope you guys check them out. I will be doing more sets with all of these colors. I have a couple of sets that I'm just going to post on Instagram. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will be posting more there. I post a lot of just like still nail photos on there versus posting on here. But yeah, everything will be in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.